let's start.
Opo,
Can you
sige.
introduce yourself?
Opo. Ako ay si Faisal. Ako ay nagmula sa Bangladesh, pero ako ay nakatira Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Jeddah.
Sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Okay, maybe I will send you a voice message after this. I will send you how to introduce myself, and you just follow there. Okay.
Opo.
Now, maybe we will not. I will review the numbers, only the numbers, and the last time we talked about likes and dislikes, right? Okay.
Opo.
Can we review the number? Can you count number 1 to 10?
Opo. Sorry. I mixed with the 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes. How about 20?
20 is dalawang po.
Yes. About 20.
Dalawang po isa. Dalawang po isa, dalawang po dalawa.
Tatlong po. Okay. How about 50? What is 50 in Tagalog?
Limang po.
Limang po. How about 100?
100 is daan.
Isang daan.
Isang daan.
How about 1,000?
1,000 libo.
Yes.
Isang libo.
That is a compound number already. You know already, Faisal, to count a compound number. Very good. Well, because our session is not so regular, but you can still come up with a lesson. Very good. Okay, now yes. But if we have regular class, like twice or once a week, maybe I can see on you that you are a quicker learner.
So, salamat po. I couldn't only Tagalog.
Okay, now, the last time our lesson is about the likes and dislikes. Do you still remember? You don't like is ayaw ko. If you like,
ayoko. Yeah, I couldn't remember the ayoko. I remember gusto, like. Yeah. Ayoko.
Gusto is like. Ayaw ko, don't like. Okay. Do you still remember the vocabulary that I gave you? Yeah, I sent to you on the PDF the noun and the verb, right? Because I sent to you ahead of time that one. Maybe you have read already, not yet.
No.
Vocabulary that I gave you is we will start from the noun. The rule in the noun is if say, for example, I say, I want bread. I want bread. In English. In Tagalog, gusto ko ng tinapay. Tinapay is bread. Okay, let's review first the vocabulary that I gave you. What is rice in Tagalog? Is kanin. Meat is carne.
Carne. It's a Spanish word, by the way, carne.
Same Spanish word. Milk is gatas.
Gatas?
Yes, milk.
Like that? Gatas?
Yeah. Okay, now bread. What is bread is tinapay.
Tinapay.
A coffee is kape.
Kape, yeah.
And then wine is alak. Yeah,
Hello.
Wine is alak.
Ala?
Alak. A-L-A-K.
Alak. Okay.
Alak. Okay.
Okay.
And then fish is isda. Yeah, that's it. Alak. Alak. Fish is isda. And then fruits is frutas.
Frutas. Yeah. It's a Spanish word again.
Same. So many words in Spanish, the same in Tagalog. And then vegetable is gulay.
Gulay.
Oh, so this is all a noun. Okay. How do you say in noun? Gusto ko ng gulay. Ko ng. I give you that role. The role of noun and the verb. I sent you in PDF but you haven't yet seen yet. But I will explain to you now. The ko space ng is for the noun. Gusto ko ng gulay. Gusto ko ng tinapay. Okay, let's practice. How about when I say, I like rice? How do you say in Tagalog?
Gusto ko kanin?
Gusto ko ng. Connector NG. Okay.
Okay, gusto ko ng kanin.
Yes. How about when you say, I like meat?
Gusto ko ng karne.
About milk?
Gusto ko ng gatas.
How about water?
Gusto ko ng tubig.
How about bread?
Gusto ko ng tinapay.
Yes. How about fish?
Gusto ko ng isda.
How about wine?
Wine. Gusto ko ng alak.
Yes. How about vegetable?
Gusto ko ng gulay.
Yes. How about if you don't like? Ayaw ko ng tinapay. Okay, let's start. You say you don't like rice.
Ayoko ng kanin.
How about you don't like meat?
Ayoko ng karne.
You don't like water.
Ayoko ng tubig.
You don't like coffee.
Ayoko ng kape.
You don't like fish.
Ayoko ng isda.
You don't like fruits.
Ayoko ng prutas.
You don't like vegetable.
Ayoko ng gulay.
Yes, very good. How about this one, verb? The verb is different from the noun. The role is, if the noun you add is ko nang, gusto ko nang. At this point, the verb is different. Like for example, I like to drink. I like to drink. Gusto kong uminom. The ko space ng G in the verb, you connect together, no space. Listen, gusto kong uminom. Gusto kong mag-aral. So the K-O-N-G, the K-O-N-G is one word together.
Connector. It's like
Yes.
NG.
Yes, the NG.
It's
in the
going
noun,
to attach with the word, right?
ko
Gusto
and kong. It become kong.
Kong.
K-O-N-G become kong. Unlike in the noun, we pronounce it gusto ko ng tinapay. At this point, gusto kong uminom. That is the role for the verb in the noun. So the rule is, if it is a verb, you put use the connector kong. If it is a noun, ko nang. Okay, let's practice. How would you say in Tagalog? I want to drink. Uminom. And let's practice the verb. How about drink? Uminom.
Uminom.
Eat. We'll teach you that later. Because they have different. Kakain, kumain, kumakain, nagkain. This is the tenses, the past, present, and future. Maybe after this lesson, this is the likes and dislikes. And then I will give you the yesterday, today, and tomorrow, but not yet the verb. And after that, you will construct in a simple sentence the yesterday and question. I will ask you question. I will give you the whole subject that you will going to take. And then after that, we will go to the pronoun. How to use the different kind of pronoun. After the pronoun, we will go to the verb. I will teach you how to construct the past tense, present tense, present tense, future tense, and the imperative tense in Tagalog. Okay, after that, I will give you some few adjectives, and then we will construct a simple sentence using the past, present, and future. After all you know already, the future, the tenses, the pronoun, the adjective, we will have a conversation setting, like conversation at the airport, conversation at the restaurant, conversation in the party. Okay, because you know already how to construct your own sentence. Okay, that is my lesson plan. In every student, that is the way that I teach. But for me, it's effective because at the end of the course, they know how. No memorization, they know how to construct in the different tenses and adjectives and using the different kinds of pronouns. You know, in the Tagalog, we have so many pronouns. You know, different.
Yeah, I've noticed that. Yeah.
Yes, different pronoun, different use. It depends on the sentence. So, and that way.
And also, I just want to, like, I was practicing in Duolingo, like the word na, ba. This comes in like it doesn't make sense in English, but it just comes in. It says no, wrong. You have to add na. You have to add ba. Because of these words, it's wrong.
Ba is a question mark. Kumain ka na ba? Kumain ka na ba? Have you eat already? That is ba. In Chinese is ma. That is question also. In Chinese ma. Misa mimya. Diba? You know how to speak Chinese, right?
No.
Anyway, okay, let's start. I will teach you the vocabulary first. Drink is uminom. At this time, we will only concentrate. We will concentrate on the past only. The mag past. Uminom is past. Kumain is a past. Okay, that is past tense. We will use first past tense because if I teach you all the kumain, kakain, nagkain, you will be confused later.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a simple sentence first. How to construct?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Eat kumain. Okay, how about run? To
run. How?
Run is tumakbo.
Tumakbo.
Tumakbo, right?
Opo.
Okay. Tumakbo is run. How about study? Study is
aaral.
Aaral is future.
Aral.
Aral is the root word. Okay, the root word is aral. Aaral is future. Mag-aral is future. Nag-aral is past. Okay. We will concentrate on mag-aral. Mag-aral is the imperative. Mag-aral. How about clean? Maglinis.
Linis. Maglinis.
Okay. These four words.
Like that?
Yes, linis. Yes. Okay. We will concentrate on these four words first because you might confuse. Okay. What is drink?
Uminom.
Eat.
Eat. Kain.
Yes. You can use kumain or kain. And then how about run?
Run is tumakbo.
Yes. How about study?
Mag-aral.
Yes. Now, let's use on the verb. If you when I say I want to study, gusto kong. Remember the the Kong rule. Gusto kong mag-aral. Can you
Gusto
do it?
kong mag-aral.
Yes. How about if you want, I want to drink.
Gusto kong umain.
Drink.
Uminom.
Uminom.
Uminom, sorry. Gusto
Okay.
kong uminom.
Yes. How about I want to eat?
Like that, right? Uminom.
Yes.
Ah,
Right. How about eat?
Gusto kong kain.
Kumain.
Sorry. Gusto kong kumain.
Yes. How about study?
Gusto kong mag-aral.
Yes.
Mag-aral.
Okay. Mag-aral. Now, I will add some. Cook. Gusto ko magluto. Magluto is cook.
Uh-huh.
About you want, I want to sleep. Gusto kong matulog. Matulog.
Gusto kong matulog. Like that. Gusto
Yes.
kong matulog.
Okay. Let's review the vocabulary. How about sleep?
Sleep.
Matulog.
Matulog.
About cook.
Cook is magluto.
How about clean?
Clean is maglinis.
How about study?
Mag-aral.
How about run?
Run, tumakbo.
How about eat?
Eat, kumain.
About drink?
Uminom.
Oh, yes. Okay, now let's start. Let's construct a simple sentence which is gusto ko likes. I want
Okay.
to drink. Okay. I will say in English and you will translate in Tagalog.
Opo.
I want to cook.
Gusto kong magluto.
Yes. I want to clean.
Gusto kong maglinis.
Yes. I want to run.
Gusto kong tumakbo.
I want to sleep.
Gusto kong matulog.
I want to study.
Gusto kong mag-aral.
I want to eat.
Gusto kong kumain.
I want to drink.
Gusto kong uminom.
Very good. Okay. Now let's go to the negative. Ayaw ko. Ayaw kong uminom. Okay. When I say I don't like to study.
Ayoko mag-aral.
Ayaw kong. K-O-N-G.
Sorry. Ayaw kong with that, right?
Yes.
Ayaw kong mag-aral.
Yes. How about I don't want to cook?
Ayaw kong magluto.
Yes. I don't want to run.
Ayaw kong tumakbo.
Yes. When I say I don't like to eat.
Ayaw kong kumain.
Yes. How about when I say I don't like to sleep?
Ayaw kong matulog.
Okay. Now I will mix. Okay. Verb and noun. I will test you if you can get the ko, nang, and the kong. The rule. Okay. I like rice.
I like rice. Gusto kong kanin.
Gusto ko ng kanin.
Gusto ko ng kanin. But I cannot use. Can I use gusto kong kanin or no?
Okay. The kong is used only on verb. Remember, the kay ko ng.
Okay. I got it. Yeah.
ko,
Because kanin is a noun. Yeah.
Yes.
And
Okay, that's why I mix.
and cook is like
Look up the verb.
That's why verb. That's why kong. And
Yes.
noun. That's why ko nang.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
The rule is if it is a noun, you use ko nang. If it is a verb, use kong. Okay. Now I will mix the verb and the noun. I will see if you understand. Okay. I want rice.
I want rice. I want rice. Okay. Gusto ko ng kanin.
Okay, correct. I like to drink.
Drink. Gusto kong uminom.
Yes. Okay, very good. I want water.
Okay. Gusto ko ng tubig.
I want to cook.
Gusto kong magluto.
Yes. I want to study.
Gusto kong mag-aral.
I want coffee.
Gusto ko ng kape.
Okay, you got it. You got the formula. So you know already. If you know the formula, you can do it by yourself. Okay. That is my teaching style. I give you the formula and you construct by your own. Okay. Now I give you another. At this time, a little bit longer sentence. When I say ano is meaning what? I send you that on the chat. Ano ang gusto mo? What do you want? Ano is what? Do you want? Ano or what do you want or what do you like? Ano ang gusto mo? And then you will answer me. Gusto ko ng kanin. Okay. Now, at this point, wait first. When I say, what do you want to eat? What do you want to do? What do you want to drink? Okay, I will give you 4 sentences. If I say, what do you want? What do you want? Anything. Listen, I want to drink coffee. I want to drink coffee. Now, how would you say that in Tagalog? Gusto kong, because gusto kong followed by the verb uminom. Uminom. Gusto kong uminom ng kape. I want to drink coffee. At this time, we combine the noun and the verb. Okay, so little by little, we will construct in a longer sentence. Easy. This is a step by step. I teach you step by step. Okay. Now, at this point, it's a little bit longer. We add the noun and we add the verb. Okay. Gusto kong uminom ng kape. I want to drink. You see, if I say, what do you want? I want to drink. Gusto kong uminom. What are you going? What do you want?
Specific.
Yes.
When a specific is kape, I have to
Kape.
nang
Yes,
nang
kape.
kape, right? Nang kape.
The connector is ng who identifies the noun. The connector ng is identifying the noun. Always ng. Like, gusto kong uminom ng kape. Gusto kong kumain ng tinapay. Gusto kong tumakbo ng mabilis. Mabilis is fast. Tumakbo, mabilis is fast. Mabilis, fast. Okay. I will say in English and you translate in Tagalog. Okay? Yes, that's it. Mabilis. Fast. Fast. Okay. Okay. I will translate in English. Can you? And then I will say in English, you translate in Tagalog. Example,
Sige.
I want to drink coffee. I want to drink coffee. Gusto kong uminom ng kape.
Nang kape.
I want to drink milk.
Gusto kong nang
Uminom.
sorry. Gusto kong uminom ng gatas.
Yes. Okay. I want to eat bread. I want to eat bread.
Gusto kong kumain ng tinapay.
Yes. I want to eat fruits.
Gusto kong kumain ng prutas.
I want to drink wine.
Gusto kong uminom ng alak.
Yes. Yes. I want to eat fruits. No, sorry. I'm the one. I want to eat vegetable.
Opo. Gusto kong kumain ng gulay.
Okay. I want to study Tagalog lesson.
Gusto kong mag-aral ng Tagalog.
I want to drink water.
Gusto kong uminom ng tubig.
Okay. I want to cook rice.
Gusto kong magluto ng kanin.
Yes, very good. I want to sleep in my bedroom. Did I give you that places in the house, the parts of the house? Bedroom is kwarto.
Yeah, I know that. Kwarto. Okay. Gusto kong matulog. Gusto kong matulog sa kwarto.
Okay. I want to eat. I want to drink. I want to cook. I want to cook fish.
Okay. Gusto kong magluto ng isda.
Okay. I want to drink coffee.
Gusto kong uminom ng kape.
Okay. So that's it. If I say ayaw kong uminom ng kape. I don't like to drink coffee. Okay.
Ayokong uminom ng kape.
Okay. I don't like to drink water.
Ayokong uminom ng tubig.
Okay. I don't like to run fast.
Okay. Ayokong tumakbo. Ayokong tumakbo. Fast is mabilis.
Nang mabilis. Mabilis. Identifying the adjectives and the noun is nang. Okay. I don't want to clean my room.
Ayokong
Maglinis.
Maglinis ng kwarto.
So you're ready. So now, this point a little bit longer again. I will.
Sige.
So that okay, sige Faisal, maraming salamat. Paalam.
Paalam. Hanggang sa muli. Ingat.
Hanggang sa muli, ingat.